A quick video. I've got plans for this Ryobi charger. It's a mains charger, has a transformer in the plug, and it's a 4-hour charger, so it's not the best, but it is supplied with most of the toolkits which come with batteries and charger as well as a tool. You can buy them bare, but I haven't seen them sold in shops bare. So anyway, they come with kits. If you buy a cheap kit with a battery and a drill, say, it will come with this particular charger. Now, the reason why I have plans for this is because the transformer is in the plug, and you get DC out to the charger. Now, I've got plans in a way of making this so I can use it in different places. So first of all, I have this component here, which is a 150 watt step-up transformer. So this will step up from 12 volts, which is what I want, to 18 or 20 volts, depending on what it takes. And then finally, we have these two solar MC4 connectors. Realizing that the 12 volt panels that I use put out 20 volts. So if we look at this transformer in the plug here and find that it takes 20 volts, or near enough, we might be able to plug this straight into a solar panel. So I'm just going to split this down. I'm going to cut this lead, and we're going to use the multimeter and test to see what voltage comes out. Now plugged into the wall and switched on using these two Wago connectors. We've got the meter plugged in as well as the positive and negative leads from the transformer, and it's producing 29 volts, which is actually a concern because although we can use the 12 volt PCB, which I haven't got to hand, we might not be able to use a solar panel to run this. However, we can test this when I plug the next bit in. Right, so plugged in, all connected together. We have a battery on there, but it doesn't want to work. I've checked all the connections, and I've come to the conclusion that these green wires, which I would assume would be earth, actually, when touched together, allow it to work. So if I pull back and pull these wires apart, and it goes off. Then we have it working, and now it doesn't. So I'm confused because we have a red, a black, and a green. Green, I would assume it would be earth, but we have a transformer, and the transformer is double insulated. And there you have it. There is no physical earth on this, just plastic pin, so it allows the plug to go in the socket. So I'm confused at the moment. On the green wire, it does appear we have 12 volts or 12.7. So without these wires connected, it doesn't work. Right, so here we go. We have DC load, DC supply coming down to these two Wago connectors. We have obviously just positive and negative, and this is actually at 14 volts. Ignore the scale on this. This is an old school one, and it's not very well calibrated. And in fact, 13 volts is near enough 20 volts. So anyway, so from the positive we can come down here, and we actually have going in just positive and negative from the supply, so I didn't really need these. On the load side, we have 20 volts coming out. We've used the little part at the back. There we go, the little blue thing on the right hand side to turn it up to 20 volts. We actually have the green, which needed 12 volts, and the red that needs the high voltage for charging the battery going into the same one, and surprisingly enough it works. So I'll prove it yet. So at 20 volts it works, and it charges the battery. So we can use this. Oh, computer's gone off. So we can use this for possibly on a solar panel as well. What I'm going to do is just turn this voltage up and make sure it works at 20 volts. That's the voltage on load, and if I turn it up, the voltage is actually going down, which I can't explain. No, it does still work. It was the bench power supply that went bad. No idea what happened, just went bad. So on a 12 volt battery, measuring 12 volts, so this one could do with the charge, it's working and charging and doing its thing. So next thing is to try a solar panel, but the sun's gone in, so I'm not sure how well that's going to go. There we go with the solar panel producing only 10 volts on load. The battery is charging, and as you can see we have the positive and negative leads for the solar panel just connected straight in, going down around the back. So I think that is actually a great success for what I have actually managed to do today, and now I can put this together in a box and make some leads up so that I can either use it on the mains on a 12 volt supply, i.e. battery bank or battery, or from the car or the van, or plug it straight into a solar panel and use it outside when there's no sun. So I'm happy with that. I hope you're happy with that, and please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, or subscribe, comment and rate, whatever you fancy. And I will see you in my next video. Thank you for watching.